Hello guys, my name is Maggie and I want to show you more toys. And this is Hedwig the owl from Harry Potter, but made of Legos, and it took ages and ages to make. And this is a drone, which obviously drones can fly. I'm going to show you how to fly this. And this is a Robo Alive lizard, like the Robo Alive T-Rex there. And to open this, we just need to cut the straps, the easiest part. Come here. Ah, that's hard. Oh, there it is. Is that right? Yes, yeah, come on. So let's just cut the straps, so that's the easiest part. Ooh. And it's out. So this is what it looks like. I really like its tail because it's really squishy. And now we just need to put some batteries right in there. And then you can turn it on and you'll see it walks. So we've just put the batteries in the lizard, so now let's see if it can walk. Let's turn this on. Oh, that's... Okay. Wait. What is this? What is... Okay guys, that is really fast. So now let's move on to the next toy, which is Hedwig, Harry Potter's owl. This comes with figures, and when you do this, like I said, see that flaps wing? The flaps? What flaps? The wings flap. It's really cool. Yep, and it took ages to build. So this is the big Hedwig, and these are the figures, Harry Potter with a wand and the small Hedwig. It's cool, and this is really large. I like these shiny red and shiny yellow. So the next toy is the drone of mine. And now let's turn the controller on and let's fly it. Oh. Whoa! Ah! Oh, come down. Down. I pressed the sun button. I stopped it. Well, so that was a smaller space. Let's move to a bigger space. And let's do some stunts. Okay. Let's fly it. Stunt button. That's not... Oh, there's stunt. Whoa. Whoa, I did stunt. Whoa. Stunt button. Oh. Let's try and land down. Just land. Landed it. Hope you like my toys, and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell and hit the like button. Bye.